Hey, folks, I hope y'all are doing great. Welcome to this new video where we're gonna dive into the world of growing carrots, from seed to harvest, to help you nail your gardening game and get a solid harvest. Hope you dig this video and, most importantly, find it useful. If so, and you want more guides like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and drop a comment letting me know what other guides you'd like to see. Alright, let's jump right in. Enjoy the watch. 1. Presentation. The carrot is a root vegetable belonging to the Apiaceae family. This vegetable is an improvement upon the wild carrot, which is very common in France. Carrots are rich in vitamin C. They can be grown throughout the year for a harvest from April to November, depending on the chosen cultivation method and variety. It is an easy crop to cultivate when the soil is well suited. Two. Soil and exposure to sunlight. Carrots can thrive in various soil types, but you'll get optimal results in a light, sandy, or loamy soil that is cool and well drained. The presence of stones, grass, poorly decomposed manure, or unbroken clods of earth can cause the roots to fork, resulting in multiple points of growth. Heavy soils and significant fluctuations in temperature or humidity during growth can also lead to various deformities in your carrots. In terms of exposure, carrots prefer sunny to partially shaded locations. 3. Sowing and planting. Cultivation takes approximately 75 days for early varieties grown indoors, 3 to 4 months for mid-length summer varieties, and 5 to 6 months for long winter varieties. 1. Prepare the soil in the fall with deep tilling, at least 10 inches for long varieties. Simultaneously, incorporate 4.4 to 6.6 pounds per square meter of well-decomposed manure or compost during this tilling. 2. 2 weeks before planting, loosen the soil surface with a rake, incorporating a base fertilizer. 3. Direct seeding is done in place. Sow as thinly as possible in flat-bottomed furrows about 4 inches wide, 0.8 inches deep, and spaced 10 inches apart. 4. Cover the seeds, compact the soil, and water gently. Germination occurs in 10 to 15 days depending on temperatures. 5. When the seedlings reach 1.2 to 1.6 inches in height, thin the planting gradually, leaving 1.2 to 2 inches between varieties with low development and 2 to 3.2 inches for varieties with stronger development. 6. If you want small carrots for freezing or canning, sow much closer together, leaving only a maximum of 0.8 inches between seedlings. Four. Harvest and storage. Pull the carrots in dry weather, as needed, keeping in mind that the last ones should be harvested before the first frost. Cut the tops off at the point where they meet the carrot and let them air dry on site for 3 to 4 days. For fall varieties, you can delay pulling by covering the upper part of the root with a few inches of soil. In mild climates with well-draining soil, it's possible to store the carrots in place by cutting the tops flush with the root and covering them with 4 inches of dead leaves, themselves topped with a bit of peat to keep them in place. Carrots sheltered in this way will stay fresh until spring. After pulling, you can still store them in a cool, dry place or bury them in sand, dry soil, or peat. This video is now finished. Thank you for watching it until the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and, more importantly, that it was helpful to you. If that's the case, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up to encourage me to continue translating all of my French videos. Also, feel free to let me know in the comments if the artificial intelligence translation is correct or not. See you soon, friends, for the next video. Bye.